Hi dear all students. In previous video of science we learn holozoic nutrition in unicellular animals. Now we'll see in today's video about more two types as well as according to the type of food animals can be classified in various types. That are five types here students. I will explain that types. You will read that para, and I told already to write this scientific terms in notebook as a notes. I hope you wrote. See for explanation now students. First classification is herbivorous. Herbivorous means animals they are depend on plants directly as a food. We may see directly those animals are eating plants as their food. हिरवं गवत झाडाची पानं डायरेक्ट खाणारे प्राणी that are called herbivorous. For example, cow, buffalo, etc. Second type is known as carnivorous. Carnivorous means animals that depend on other animals for their food are called as a carnivorous. The carnivorous are indirectly dependent on plants for food. Examples are animals that feed on herbivorous that are predators and animals that feed on insects that are insectivorous. So here two types of animals we saw students. Some are directly depend on plants, they are herbivorous. Some are depend on plants also as well as animals also. We human beings also one type of carnivorous. Here animals they told here those are herbivorous, they consider as a predators here shikar, and that carnivorous animals depend on these herbivorous animals. For example, tiger is eating to rabbit and rabbit is eating to plant. So this chain, food chain, is the best example of this predator carnivorous example. So third type is explained here student, omnivorous, that animals that obtain their food from both plants and animals are called as omnivorous. They depend on both. So human beings we depend on plants also as well as we depend on animals also. So carnivorous are only depend on animals and omnivorous they are depend on animals as well as plants. For example student, to make brinjal vegetable we are depend on plant. To make tea, coffee we depend on milk of cow or buffalo. Means same time we are depend on animals also as well as on plants also. So we are omnivorous in classification. Some of the organisms around us perform function of cleaning and conserving the environment. So to complete a food chain, to maintain environmental balance, these animals are there that are scavengers and decomposers. Scavengers obtain their food from dead bodies of animals, for example, vulture, crow, hyena. So, dead body is food for these scavengers. Decomposers are some microbes, that is, microorganisms, which obtain their food by decomposing the dead bodies of organisms or other materials. Generally, inside the soil, dead bodies of animals get decomposed by decomposers. So these are classification of various animals in a surrounding. See in a color writing para student, the Amanter is found in Central and South America. The bobcat or Admanzer is an anti-eating animal found in India. Obtain its pictures from the internet. So you search this bobcat, the bobcat picture which is available in India, the Amanter shown in figure is an animal from South America. So, like this, lot of animals you can observe on net, students, no issue. Second type is B, that is saprozoic nutrition. Some insects, unicellular animals, etc., obtain the nutrients by absorbing the liquid organic material from the dead bodies of other animals or from the environment. This is saprozoic nutrition. Example, house flies, ants, spiders. घरातल्या ज्या माशा आहेत किंवा स्पायडर्स आहेत, स्पायडर्स जे घरात जाळे बनवतात, ants, मुंग्या आहेत, त्या डेड बॉडीज ऑर फूड मटेरियल काही पडलं असेल तर त्याच्यातून एक प्रकारचं लिक्विड सक करतात अँड दे आर डिपेंड on these things, so that are called as the saprozoic nutrition. Third type is parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition, some animals depend upon the other animals for food. They can obtain the food only from animals on whom they are dependent. This is called as a parasitic nutrition. Some animals depend upon other animals for their food, and so they are depend on another animal. Some animals live on the body surface of other animals and obtain their food by sucking their blood. रक्त आपलं सक करून त्या दुसऱ्या ॲनिमल्सच्या रक्तावर काही प्राणी जगतात. दॅट आर कॉल्ड ॲज अ ectoparasitic nutrition, and such animals are called as ectoparasites. For example, louse, bedbug, tick, etc. Animal like tapeworm and roundworm live inside the body of other animals and obtain their food. This is endoparasitic nutrition. दुसऱ्या ॲनिमलच्या शरीरामध्ये हे राहतात. टॅपवॉर्म, वॉर्म ज्याला आपण आळीसारखे जे जंत असतात ते दुसऱ्यांच्या शरीरात वाढतात आणि तिथे ते जगतात. काही दुसऱ्यांचं ब्लड सक करतात. मॉस्किटो इज सकिंग ब्लड ऑफ ह्युमन बिईंग्स अँड लॉट ऑफ गायांच्या, म्हशींच्या अंगावर तुम्ही गोचीड नावाचा एखादा प्राणी पाहिला असेल, तो सुद्धा रक्त सक करतो. देन ढेकून, असे अनेक प्राणी आहेत जे डिपेंड ऑन अदर ॲनिमल्स. So endoparasitic nutrition, they are directly entering in the body, and these animals are known as endoparasites. So lot of scientific terms are here, student, in these three para. So please write down these and explain with the help of textbook note as a short note, and search more information on Google. So here our fourth lesson, very important lesson, how animals and plants taking their nutrition, how they are helping to each other, how they are depend on each other, we learn in a proper way. I tried my level best to explain you. Maybe you know more than me. You search information on Google too, and remain update with our channel. Subscribe if you not subscribe, so you will get notifications if I upload new videos related to this topic. Now next video I will try to explain you question answers with the help of two videos part. Till that time, today you write these all scientific terms if you not wrote, and explain them in short as a short note. Take care, student. Be safe at home. Thank you. Bye bye.